Frederic Church designed and built more than 5 miles of carriage roads at Olana. This road system is a network of utilitarian routes which serve the needs of daily life at Olana, as well as pleasure drives for the church family and their guests. In the 19th century, Olana was experienced on foot, on horseback, and in carriages. In addition to horse-drawn carriages, Church was also known to import white donkeys from Syria, and guests would venture outdoors on donkey carts.
The roads at Olana were built over many years. Church constructed the roads with a reddish-brown shale, which was quarried on site, and this native stone blended with the natural scenery of Olana. In 1871, Church wrote of Olana and his wife, Isabel,
"How many hundred forest trees have been set out in its parks lately, and above all, how the artist's beautiful wife has been seen riding across these red-veined hilltops upon a milk-white donkey."
Olana's North Road was a primary access route built in 1869, and it served as Olana's main entrance when approached from the city of Hudson. One could easily connect from Hudson to New York City, Boston, and other cultural centers. The Hudson River School artists celebrated nature, and entering along Olana's North Road was an immersion into a naturalistic and artistic scene. The north entrance began with a tree-covered stretch. It offers a pastoral view across the North Meadow, up Olana's open hillside, yet it offered little clue of Olana's singular architecture and sublime views.
First-time visitors could only guess at the spectacular panorama which would unfold before their eyes when they reached the top of the hill.
As visitors ascended the North Road, the road assumed a switchback pattern, gently zigzagging back and forth. This elevated climb up Olana's wooded hillside served to heighten suspense. Drama and visual suspense were part of the arrival experience Church intended for his guests.
Much in the way Frederic Church is considered part of a school of landscape painters, he is also associated with a group of 19th century distinctly American landscape artists who understood that earth could be sculpted and planted to create varying scenes and effects. Landscape architect Frederic Law Olmsted and architect Calvert Vaux, the co-creators of New York Central Park, were peers and colleagues of Frederic Church. In 1871, they helped to elect Church as a Parks Commissioner in Central Park. Olmsted wrote that
the public utility and devotion to art and the study of nature in a public service of this kind should be recognized, and Church seemed on the whole the most appropriate and respectable man to express this.
Central Park and other public landscapes often included carriage roads as part of a larger design plan, and similar ideas are expressed at Olana.